Okay, we got Daisy and Lucy. They're helping me garden today. We've got some celery that we just harvested. I'm going to do some pictures of our juicing machine so you get an idea of how that works. Had lots of questions about these planter boxes. So they're cedar, they smell great. We got these at Costco. You can order them online, and they ship them right to your house. So you don't have to worry about dragging the box to your car and dragging it home. But this is really fun. This floats up to the top, and it tells you how much water's in here. At the bottom of this, there's a tray that stores water. And all you gotta do is just put the hose in there, fill it up. After 4 or 5 minutes, this floats up. Then we've got water for the plants for about 3 to 4 days. So if we go away for the weekend or take a few days off, plants are going to be okay for a few days, and we come back and fill it back up again. So these have been fantastic. I recommend them if you're interested. Costco online, most garden centers have them, but they're really, really useful. The other thing I like is it gets the plants off the ground a little bit higher up, a little bit easier to work the plants when you're tending to them or watering them. So there's your tip of the day. Hope your garden's coming along well. Stay tuned for more updates.